Crafting stories from snapshots. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on creative writing. In today's lesson, we will dive into the fascinating world of visual stimuli for creative writing. We're specifically going to explore how we can use photographs and images as a source of inspiration to spark our creativity and write compelling stories. So, let's get started. First off, let's discuss why we might want to use photographs and images for our writing. Images stimulate our senses in a way that words alone cannot. They transport us into different places, times, and situations. By interpreting the elements in an image, we can create vivid narratives, descriptive settings, intriguing characters, and more. Moreover, using visual stimuli can be an effective method to overcome writer's block. When choosing an image for inspiration, look for one that evokes an emotional response from you or raises questions. It can be a family photo, a scene from a magazine, or a digital image from the internet. Try to choose images that are rich in detail, as they can offer more material for your writing. However, remember that there's no wrong choice. Any image that inspires you can be the perfect one. Now, let's move on to some exercises to help you hone your skills. 1. Caption this. Look at an image and write a one-sentence caption that captures its essence. This will help you practice brevity and focus on the most striking elements. 2. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Choose a photograph and write a 1,000-word story inspired by it. Consider the characters, the setting, the action, the mood, everything you see, and even what's not visible in the photograph. 3. Day in the life. Choose an image of a person or an animal. Write a day in their life based on what you can infer from the image. 4. Perspective shift. Pick a picture with multiple characters or elements. Write a short paragraph from the perspective of each element or character. Remember, these exercises aren't about getting it perfect the first time. It's about stimulating your creative mind and building your writing skills. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using photographs and images for creative writing. We hope this video encourages you to look at the world around you with a writer's eye and find inspiration in every snapshot. With a little practice and a lot of imagination, there's no limit to the stories you can create from a single image. Until next time, keep writing, and stay creative.